girls, and today will be the last day that we're going over the solution for the 4 fours today, and you should have tried to find solutions for 28 through 31, and today we're going to share solutions. If you want to try 4 fours for the next couple numbers, by all means go ahead. I'm just not going to be able to share any solutions with you as this is the last day of class. So for 28, the solution I came up with was 4 exclamation times 4 divided by 4 plus 4. So 24 times 4 is 96. 96 divided by 4 is 24, plus 4 would be 28. And then the solution for 29 was 4 divided 4 tenths, or 0.4, divide 0.4, or 4 tenths again, plus 4. Okay, now let's try this. 4 divided by 0.4, if we move the decimal, and the decimal is here, we move this, it's really 4 divided by 40, which is 10. And then we have 10 divided by 0.4, which we move the decimal, we have to increase here and move the decimal, so it's really 100 divided by 4 would be 25, and 25 plus the last 4 would get us 29, so it works, having to use a decimal, okay? And then the solution I found for 30 was 4 plus 4 plus 4 divide by 4 tenths. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 3 fours, is 12. Then we have 12 divided by 0.4, and again we move the decimal, we have to increase because in here whole number of decimals here, we increase it. So it's really 120 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 12 3 times. That's 12, and that's 0, and I bring my 0 down. 4 goes into 0, that's 0, so 30, that'd be 0, and we get 30, our answer of 30, which was our target number. And the last one, for 31, came up with 4 exclamation plus 4 divided by 4 plus 4. So now that's 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 divided by 4 is, let's see, 28, hold on, I think I gotta put this in parentheses, so that's 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 is 7, and 7 28. Oh, sorry. That's where I forgot this. So that should be a 4 exclamation. Had to think through that. So 24 plus 4 is 28. Divided by 4 is 7. So 7 plus 24 equals 31. That's where had to work through my mistake and figure it out. Alright, I hope you guys had fun doing the 4 fours problem. You can keep challenging yourself and doing them up as many as you want or can think of. But I had a great time looking at all your solutions and strategies, and keep trying your best and challenging yourself. Alright, the next task you're going to do is you're going to go into Khan Academy again. This time we're doing math, so courses, whatever grade you're going into, if you're going into 5th grade, and again, this is where you are in charge of your own learning. You get to pick whatever concepts and skills you want to work on. 10 minutes, 1 or 2 concepts, like adding a multi-digit number, that's 1 concept. If you want to subtract multi-digit, that would be 2 concepts, but try and get at least 1, if not 2 concepts done a day. When you're done with that, then you can go into Prodigy and click Play Prodigy and play Prodigy for 10 minutes. Alright, and happy Friday, and since it's Friday, we're back to coding. You have the same choices as last week. can pick and choose whichever is your favorite, whichever one you like the best. Had a great time looking at some of the creations that you guys uploaded to Seesaw. And if you create something cool, please take a screenshot and share it with me. And when you sign in, make sure you click sign in and then log in with your Google account. You can do code, Khan Academy coding, Tinker, Bitsbox, pencil code, whatever you choose. Have fun and be. All right, boys and girls. Well, that's going to wrap up our 2 weeks of summer school class together. I hope you had a great time, as much fun as I did. I hope you were able to practice your problem-solving strategies and your math concepts and everything else during summer school. I know I had a great time being able to check your responses, especially on the 4-4s and how creative you guys were in using some of your different strategies and everything. And most importantly, I hope you guys had fun, because learning should be fun, even if it is just playing a strategy game and figuring out and problem solving and having that growth mindset to just keep trying your best until you figure out a strategy. So thank you for joining me these last 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your summer, and look forward to seeing a bunch of you back at school, hopefully. So enjoy your summer, be creative, get outside, do things, run around. And again, thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your summer.